He was once a tax collector, hated by many, yet he was chosen by Jesus. Matthew left his wealth behind to follow the one true King. After Jesus' resurrection, Matthew obeyed the Great Commission and traveled to Ethiopia to preach the gospel. There, he performed miracles and converted many people, including members of the royal family. But his bold faith angered the local ruler, who felt threatened by the new message of Christ. On September 21st, around 60 to 70 AD, while Matthew was celebrating worship at the altar, soldiers were sent to silence him. He refused to deny Jesus and was struck down by a sword. Matthew died right there inside the church, a martyr for the gospel he once wrote, giving his final breath in the same place he had given his heart to God. He lived for the truth, preached with courage, and died with unwavering faith. From a tax collector to a martyr for Christ. Share this if you will stand for Jesus no matter the cost, and follow for more true stories of the apostles.